Hey guys, Jordan here from Max Air MTB. Today I'm doing a bike check on the new 2017 Giant Rain 1. So I've actually hired out this bike for the weekend from For the Riders because my Giant Rain 1 is actually getting repaired. Got the large Giant Glory 1 alloy frame. So I'll start off with the cockpit. I've got the Giant Contact SL downhill stem with the stock Giant headset. Come over to the brakes, I've got the SRAM guide, but the SRAM GX shifter with 800mm bars. I've got the RockShox Boxer 200mm forks with the Schroebel Magic Mary 27.5-inch tires. Got 200mm disc. I've got the 180mm RockShox Vivid R2C rear suspension with the Maestro setup here. Now I've got the 34-tooth chainring with the MRP chain guide top and bottom. I've got the 7-speed GX derailleur, and I've got the DT Swiss 27.5-inch carbon rims, front and rear. I was actually out at Boomerang Farm this morning riding this bike around, and it corners great. It feels great compared to the Giant Rain 1. Everything's a lot smoother. Here's some footage of me riding some of those tracks this morning.
I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.